Yes guys. Don't laugh while watching this video. Yes sir. If you laugh, you lose. There are 3 difficulties in this challenge: easy, medium, and hard. Let's see if you can pass all the difficulties without laughing. So, are you ready? You have only 5 seconds to like this video, subscribe, and comment poggers, before the challenge starts. Thank you. Easy difficulty in 3, 2, 1.
Peace up, A-Town.
Yeah!
Orion.
Orion,
Dante.
Dante,
Chaz.
Chaz,
Gary.
Gary,
Michael.
Michael,
And Ratatata.
Okay, let's start the hard difficulty. 3, 2, 1. Challenge is completed now. Tell me in comments if you laughed or smiled. I have to say that I laughed a lot while making this video. Lol. Subscribe for more videos like this.